Yes. Hey guys, Patrick here. I hope you're doing great. I wanted shortly to show you how to ground yourself and how to measure your own voltage or measure your cat's voltage. You can do it with a normal multimeter. It has to be a little sensitive though, because we are dealing with very low frequencies and voltage. We have to put it here at the AC, not DC but AC, and here I put the grounding stick in the ground, and you can get grounded wherever you want, whenever you want. I can do it, for example, from the van, which are separated from the ground with the rubber tires, but just with the stick outside and the cable, it goes into my bed sheet that I will show you later. But now, just to compare, here next to the stick, I put the negative pole inside and the positive in my hand. And I will put my finger on. Okay, that's because I'm not grounded. If I take off the rubber shoes and I stand on the ground, 0. Now I'm grounded. Alright guys, let me show you very fast how to connect your grounding product. If it's a grounding sheet or grounding mat you have been buying from TrustGaia, that's the same function, same way to measure it. If you're in a house or in an apartment where you have this electrical outlet, you can simply just turn it on, put the adapter inside the wall, you know, and there you have the grounding outlets there, because those are earth connection. And there it goes in here with the other end of the cable where you plug that in. I just put an extra little cable here so I have a way to measure it. But as I'm in a caravan, there's no earth connection, so we have to use the real earth. Like I showed you before with the earth rod coming in here in the car. I will connect it to the other cable, which in the end will be connected to the mat or the sheet. And here we have been putting on an extra little cable so I have a way to measure it, like we did before. I will measure my own voltage and then I will measure when I am grounded. So 16. Touch the mat or the sheet. Completely grounded. Touch it. Release it. And touch it. And this is mostly for the skeptical people that needs to have a scientific proof, which you have right here. Since the rubber shoe was invented, the humans got disconnected to the earth. But let's change that with that easy, simple way. You just put your own sheet on afterwards and there you have a nice sleep.